Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this Python beginner tutorial series, let's speak about what is Python operators. Okay, so Python operators is it's more of a generic and a common functionality which will be used across every programming languages, isn't it? So even in Python, this is something very important. I would generally say it is most underestimated because nowadays in the machine learning world, this operators is quite very much important, especially when you start working with libraries like NumPy, SciPy, and all. These mathematical operations using these operators will be very useful. So it is really necessary for us to understand how these operators work. Okay, so let's jump into this detailed tutorial and see what are the different kind of operators available in Python. Okay, so these are few popular operators available in Python. So arithmetic operator, assignment, comparison operator, logical, identity, membership, bitwise. Now for this video, I'll just cover first three operators like arithmetic, assignment, and comparison. In the part 2 of this operators video, I will make another video which will cover logical operators, identity operators, membership, and bitwise. Okay, so let's jump into arithmetic operators. So yeah, arithmetic operators, I'm not gonna deep dive into it because this is very common operator which will be used across every programming languages because this is just basic mathematical stuff, right? So I'm not gonna deep dive into it, but just for you to understand how these operations can be used in programming, I'll just show you an example in PyCharm. So if I go to PyCharm, so let me try to write. Let me enter into the presentation mode so that you can see the big icon. So maybe say we have x equal to some value like 10 and y equal to 5. Print x plus y, right? So if I run this, it gave me 15. Okay, so as simple as that. So similarly I can use division, multiplication, everything. So this is very basic stuff about how arithmetic operators work in Python. So and one more interesting is something, if you are not aware of this operations, like last three operations are modulus, exponentiation, floor division. So modulus generally returns only the remainder. For example, if we have x modulo of 10, here the remainder is 0, right? So it will return only 0. Now if I change the value to 6, it will remain, it will throw 4 because the remainder is 4. So this is how modulo operation work. Next one is exponentiation. Exponentiation is more like finding like square root. For example, if 10 to the square root of 2, it will be 100. Sorry, I am change the star. So it will be 100. So it will be 10 into 10. If I change this to 3 again, it will be 10 into 10 into 10. So it will be 1000. So this is how exponentiation operator works. And then floor division is it will give you the numerator, the closed round of numerator. For example, if we have 10 floor division of 3, then it will round off to the closest numerator. So here the numerator will be 3. So 10 divided 9, 10 divided by 3 will have a numerator as 3. So it showed us 3. If I go give this as 4, it showed me 2. Okay, so this is how you can easily find this is how you can easily use arithmetic operators in Python. Okay, so jumping on to the next section is Python assignment operators. So again, assignment operators is also common across few other programming languages like Java. But here we see, let's see few examples. Like here I have listed most assignment operators used across Python. This is normal, equal, assign. This is like x plus or equal to 3i. So probably you can try these examples in your IDE so that you will have a better and clear understanding of how each and every operator assignment operator works. So this is like very common. This is just assignment operator to our earlier. We are just assigning an operator to our arithmetic operator. So here we saw plus, minus, division, floor division, and all, right. So it's same as that, but one thing is you are assigning an equal to sign, which is like which is like addition assignment and subtraction assignment, something like that. Similarly, here you have exponentiation assignment, and assignment, or assignment, XOR assignment, right shift assignment, left shift assignment. So these are all are bitwise operators. Like this is bitwise XOR, this is bitwise right shift operator. So bitwise I will detailedly explain you in our next part, because there is a separate operator called bitwise operator. So I will cover it separately. But this is something I just wanted to show you at a higher level. Let's see how maybe let's see this simple example to see how this operator works. So x plus or equal to 3. So if I use, so now I have a value called x. So if I use x plus or equal to 3, means now I am just printing x. So the value is 13. So how this will happen is, so this is similar as x equal to x plus 3. Okay, so sorry, I have to use hash for the comment. So x equal to x plus 3. So this statement is as similar to this one, x plus or equal to 3. So, and if I use x minus 3, it will be 10. This is similar to x equal to x minus. So it will be 10 minus 3 equal to 7. So this is how you can use a few of the arithmetic assignment operators. Here we have a few other operators too, like equal to exponentiation 3. For example, if we use x equal to x star star of 3, so let's try to use this x star star equal to 3. Okay, so now if I run this, it will be 1000, because it will be 10 into 10 into 10. So this is similar as x in equal to x star star 3. Okay, so this is how you can use exponentiation assignment. Similarly, we have bitwise AND assignment, OR assignment, XOR assignment. Maybe I will show you how XOR works. Okay, so x greater than or equal to x upper arrow equal to 3. So let me take a simpler example for you. So this showed 7. Okay, if you are, so this is called bitwise XOR operation. So if you remember your binary operators from your 11th or 12th standard, you can easily solve this problem. Like for example, say what is the binary value of 4? It is 1000, and binary value of 3 is 0011. So if you sum up these two, it will be 1011. So 1011 is the value for 7. The binary value of 1011 is 7. So this is how you can use XOR operator to find this is how you can use XOR operators to in the Python operators functionality. Okay, so similarly you can try other operators like bitwise AND assignment, bitwise OR assignment. So these are like more of binary level operators. So you can try this, try other examples, and let me know for any queries. And moving on to assignment operators. Assignment operator is again, it's very straightforward. Comparison operators are very straightforward. The comparison operators, generally it is used to compare two values, like as the tabular column here denotes, it's equal to first operator equal to will assign it will be like a regular equal operation. So it will be, so it's not just single equal to, it will be double equal to, x equal to y. So not equal to, so not equal to x not equal to y, then we can perform some function. Greater than, it's the regular comparison operator. Greater than, lesser than, greater than or equal to, lesser than or equal to are very basic stuff, so I'm not going to explain that. Maybe I can show you uh, how not equal to works. So x not equal to y, so let's say we have x equal to 4 and y equal to 3. So if x not equal to y, then probably I can print x is not equal to y, because here if you see x is not equal to y, so this is how you can use the not equal to operator. If I change this value now, again these both are not equal, right? So if you give the same value, it will fall because it will not go into the sleep. I need to have an else condition. So else print x is equal, x and y are equal, x and y are equal. So now you will get x and y are equal. So this is how you can use the not equal to operator. Sorry, I forgot the operator names. So this is how you can use not equal to operator from the Python comparisons operators. So yeah, that's all what I want to cover as part of this video. As I said earlier, like in our next video, we will cover the remaining 4 operators like logical, identity, membership, and bitwise. Right. So I hope you understood this Python initial part 1 of the operator section. And if you liked my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.